Necessity of computer-based HVAC preventive maintenance. Schedule for HVAC contractors. The computerized maintenance management system, CMMS, tasking ensures that you receive right maintenance at the right time and produces a detailed record of the preventive maintenance performed. However, the industry standard may be to perform from a generic list of maintenance requirements, to meet the specific needs of each component of your HVAC system, and the perfect maintenance of HVAC equipment such as chillers, chilled and condensing water pumping sets, cooling towers, electrical and electromagnetic panels are required time-based preventive maintenance schedule. These schedules should be computer-based for proper maintenance of HVAC equipments as well as maintaining of proper levels of chemicals for appropriate levels to maximize corrosion protection in cooling towers and supply water. The air handling units should also be replaced regularly. In most of the cases, the reason for not performing routine preventive maintenance is lack of resources, while, if we look at the potential cost savings that can reduce total maintenance costs by up to 30%, along with the benefits of improved energy efficiency and maintaining a healthy building, it becomes much easier to justify HVAC preventive maintenance. We should also assure panels are wired as required by the National Electric Code to prevent potential fire hazards, to adhere preventive maintenance schedules for all auxiliary power systems to verify the equipment is ready to run when needed. Comfortable workspace is also essential to maintain a high level of efficiency of employees who are maintaining the HVAC equipments and system. HVAC network duct is also needed to be maintained properly to make ensure the distribution air into the room is running well. The bad of its performance will create the bad effect to the performance of the heating and air conditioning units that finally will make the unit works hardly to produce the comfort air and distribute it into the room. And if you ignore this condition, then you can find your energy bill increases out of control. Therefore, a homeowner needs to do the HVAC duct cleaning as soon as possible. John Adams is the Sales and Support Administrator of FacielloPages.com. FacielloPages.com provides searchable database to find contractors, manufacturers, and other reliable business sources related to HVAC. Be sure to visit our HVAC contractors website and list your business for free. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/John_M_Adam/8044428